Today, I'm gonna be preparing for the chocolate crinkles because I have some orders for tomorrow. So, first, I'm gonna show you our ingredients. 1 cup of cocoa powder, and then 1/2 cup of sugar, white sugar and brown sugar. I already combined it. And then we have also 1/4 cup of oil, and then 2 large eggs. This is vanilla extract, but we only need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this one, 1 cup of flour. It's a combination of 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You have to sip it. Also the cocoa powder, you have to sip it. Okay? So these are all the ingredients for the chocolate crinkles. Next step, I'll show you the process or the procedure. You have to sift the cocoa powder, 1 cup of cocoa powder. So here, okay, and then sip it with the, of course, with the use of the sifter. Okay, we can combine this with the sugar later. After sifting the cocoa powder, put the 1/2 cup of white sugar and brown sugar, and also the 1/4 cup of oil, and then mix. Okay? After mixing it, you have to put the 2 large eggs. Okay? And then mix it again. After mixing it, you have to put the 2 large eggs. Okay? And then mix it again. After I put the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, now you can put the sifted cup flour, 1 cup of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then mix it. Okay? This is what it's gonna look like, and then you're gonna cover this with plastic wrapper, and then put in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Okay, and then you're ready to bake this 10 minutes around 175 temperature. Here's our chocolate butter and the icing sugar to make the crinkles. So here it is, ready for baking our chocolate crinkles. You have to bake this for 10 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. Look, it's ready now. Ready for the first batch. We still have 2 batches for baking.